I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to install the Driven Mirror Eliminators on our 2017 Yamaha R6 STG project bike. Okay, you can see I've already done it. If you want to see the install, watch the second part of the video. These are some bitchin' machined aluminum mirror eliminators from Driven. Look at the machining on that, the logo, they are sexy. I put blue on the bike. Ryan probably would have wanted black. He probably would have wanted black, but I'm not letting Ryan pick colors anymore. I'm now picking the colors for Ryan because I want his bike to look super bitchin' when it's done. He was being too conservative. So now that we've sorted that out, this is a very basic install. The mirrors, remember, they have the signals, the turn signals in them, integrated. I have a solution for that. We're going to be showing you some products from a brand new company that we just brought on, New Rage Cycles. They have some cool add-on turn signals for the front of the R6. I'm going to show you those next week. So if you do want to do that and you still want to have your signals, you want to have these mirror eliminators installed, you can get those. Look for that video, look for that product on our site. Easy install. You have the harness to unplug, you have two bolts to unplug. They look great. I want to point out there's just the tiniest little gap on the outer edge here. I just want you to be aware of that up front. If you're super anal, maybe you could shim behind there or something. But I think they look great. If you want more, stay tuned. Okay, before we dive into it, I just want to give you a close look at these. These are stunning. The machine work on these. I love the blue color. There's multiple colors available. You choose the one that's going to be most appropriate for your bike, but these things look dead sexy. We will have another video coming out next week. I found some kick-ass aftermarket LED turn signals that you can use with these. They're going to mount somewhere up in this area, so look for that for sure next week. That's from a brand new company we have not done business with before. We'll have a couple install videos from them coming up too. Removing the mirrors. Okay, we've got 10 mil fasteners back here. Not only do we have the fasteners, but remember we also have the wiring for the turn signals. Okay, we're going to have to manage that as well. Get the fasteners loose. Those are going to be easy for you to find. They're just 10 mil. Pretty basic stuff. And before I take both of them out completely, I'm going to get the flashlight out and I'm going to start manipulating the harness so we can get that ready to pass through the fairing. Okay, so I've got the mirror worked loose. One nut still holding it on. The flashlight out here. And let's see, hopefully we can find the connector nice and easy. Let's see which harness that is. Actually just pull the other nut out now so I can clearly identify the harness I need to pull through. Okay, and it is going to be right here. Set this to the side, be careful not to scratch the fairing. We'll get the flashlight so I can point this out to you. Okay, it's going to be this connector right here. You can see there is the lock tab at the bottom. See if I can release that with my thumb, which I was able to. Feed this up through the back side and out it comes. So that was really simple. Okay, install. This is really simple. When we first added these to the site and I saw the pictures, I'm like, man, these things are sexy. Love the machining that you put into them. Having the ability to put that pop of color on that front fairing is awesome. And when you see the turn signals that we found, you guys are gonna be pretty pumped. It's a sweet combo. You know, I could see using these mirror block offs even with race body work. You know, if you want your bike to look awesome, right? Some people might think it's overkill, they might. It's fair, they think that. But man, you put those on there in a nice accent color, even with the race body work, your bike is gonna really stand out. You know, more performance is always nice, right? I mean, that's definitely something that we all aspire to and shoot for, but gotta admit, cosmetic improvements are awesome. Taking the time to make that bike all your own, get it to stand out in the crowd a little bit. A lot of value in that too. So you just want to go ahead and snug these down, run them down nice and evenly. Okay, clutch side, this is just a mirror image, right? It's pretty basic stuff. Go ahead and get the mounting nuts loose. And we'll look for the harness for the mirror. Out. Just allow me to give a little tug on that harness. Help me find this. Okay, it's going to be right here. Okay, this harness is right here, so we're going to remove it from the mount. You can see the connector is down here. And the release, be able to reach this with my finger. Pull that over, like so. Okay. Out that comes, super easy. Let's mock this up, see how this side's going to fit. Put your nuts on the back side. This is a really basic mod. Anybody's going to be able to do this really at the end of the day. Simple install, anybody can do it, for sure. They look great. You have kind of just a little gap here on the outside of the ear, whatever. I think it looks great, but just be cognizant of that. Maybe you could shim behind there if you're getting all anal and you want to fill that gap. Driven Mirror Eliminator install 2017 R6.